Yes, beta, today again we are going to revise chapter 2 of science, food, health and hygiene. Clear? So food, we should take healthy food. We should take balanced diet. Okay? We should take carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins in proper amount required for the body, and we should take water and roughage also, although they do not provide nutrients, but they are very good for the health. Water keeps our body temperature constant, and roughage is very good to keep our digestive system healthy. Water removes the poisonous substances, waste products from the body, and it helps in digestion also. And we should follow the healthy habits. Healthy habits include, what do you mean by healthy habits? Present. Healthy habits. Yes, Prabjot ma'am, you can unmute if someone has raised hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Abhi Mishra.
Yes, Abhi,
Lavish.
what do you mean by healthy habits? Abhi?
Abhi, unmute
Excuse me,
yourself,
ma'am.
better.
Excuse me, मैम
Yes.
मैम आपने रिजल्ट्स की लिंक शेयर करनी है
नो बेटा लिंक नहीं शेयर करनी, वी विल टेल यू द साइट. वैसे तो आपको पता है, ऑलरेडी यू नो दैट, एंड आफ्टर 12 यू कैन सी. आपको पता है जो ऑलरेडी दी हुई है साइट, वहीं पे रिजल्ट शो होगा. यस सांची, कैन यू टेल द हेल्दी हैबिट्स?
मैम लविश ने हैंड रेज किया.
यस लविश, बेटा व्हाट आर द हेल्दी हैबिट्स?
Unmute yourself, बच्चे.
आमी, अबे, no one is here.
Ma'am, healthy habits are vegetables, fruits.
Healthy habits means personal cleanliness. What do you mean by personal cleanliness? Personal cleanliness means we should take bath, we should trim our nails, we should wash our hair, we should wear neat and clean clothes, and we should put garbage in the dustbins. All these are related to personal cleanliness. And we should take proper rest. We should sleep well. It also helps to stay healthy. And we should avoid smoking, drinking, etc. And we should follow proper posture. हमें when we are reading, we should not lean forward. आगे को झुक के नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए हमें. And when we are standing, we should keep our back straight. We should follow all this in order to stay healthy. We cannot stay healthy if we are taking balanced diet only. If we are not sitting properly, if we are not standing properly, even then we may suffer from some pain. Cervical हो जाती है ना? If we don't keep our back straight and if we lean forward while reading, so we can have some other problems also. And we have to follow the healthy habits. Clear, beta? So, first of all, two types of diseases are there, communicable and non-communicable. Yesterday we have done communicable diseases. Can anyone name any two communicable diseases? And what do you mean by communicable diseases? Any two communicable diseases? Raise hand.
Tanishka, unmute yourself, better.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, beta.
Ma'am, टाइफाइड, जॉन्डिस, मैम ये इन्फेक्टेड फूड से होते हैं.
Very good, beta. Typhoid and jaundice, they spread through contaminated food and water. Okay, that's why they are communicable diseases. They spread from sick person to healthy person through contaminated food and water. So how can we prevent these diseases? Okay, these are spread by germs, by bacteria, by virus, fungi, and protozoa. So how can we prevent these diseases? First is we have to disinfect our house. We have to use floor cleaners. We have to disinfect the floors. We have to disinfect the doors of the uh, uh, handles of the door, handles of the fridge. Okay, wherever we touch the surface, we have to disinfect that. Sanchi? Yes, concentrate, beta. Then after that, next is we have to keep our surrounding clean. It should not be there कि there is heaps of garbage around our house. हमारे house के आसपास भी सफाई होनी चाहिए. It's not there कि only we have to clean our house. हमारा सिर्फ house ही clean नहीं होना चाहिए. Our surrounding should also be clean. There should not be garbage heaps around the house. Okay, they will help to breed the flies, and flies can transmit many diseases. So area around your house should be neat and clean. No garbage should be there. Always put the garbage in the covered dustbins. What will happen if we don't put the garbage in the covered dustbins? Present. If we put the garbage, if we don't put the garbage in covered dustbins, we put it here and there around the house. So what will happen? Yes.
Sanchi, unmute yourself, beta. Sanchi.
Yes, what will happen if we don't put garbage in the covered dustbins? Hanji beta.
Jasum.
Ma'am, if we not put the garbage in covered dustbin, so the garbage will flow in the air, and we in our bodies, and the air put in our body, and we will sick.
It will make us sick, but the garbage will not fly. Okay, it will cause the breeding of flies. उसमें मक्खियां पैदा हो जाती हैं when we put the garbage heaps are there, so it help to spread the diseases. तो आपने क्या बोला है कि it will help to spread the diseases. Okay, flies sit on garbage. The germs present in the garbage they stick to the body of the flies, body parts of the flies. When these flies sit on the food, like आप street food खाते हो ना, आपको बहुत tasty लगता है, तो when flies sit on that food, they will transmit the germs over there. तो वहाँ पे germs जो है वो spread हो जाते हैं, germs transmit हो जाते हैं when flies sit on the food after sitting on the garbage, and this way it will help you to make you sick. इससे आप बीमार पड़ सकते हो. Clear? We should always put the garbage in the dustbins. And what is this? This is stagnant water. And do not allow stagnant water. आपके घर के आसपास कहीं भी पानी खड़ा नहीं रहना चाहिए. What will happen if there is stagnant water around your house? अगर आपके घर के आसपास पानी खड़ा रहता है तो what will happen? Raise hand. It will help to breed. Yes, beta. It will help to breed mosquitoes. Clear? So, can you name any two diseases which spread by mosquitoes? They transmit the diseases.
Manjot, unmute yourself, beta.
Malaria and dengue.
Very good. Malaria and dengue. Clear? They are the diseases which spread by mosquito. Anopheles mosquito spreads malaria. Malaria is caused by a protozoa. We call it Plasmodium. Half life cycle of Plasmodium is in the body of mosquito. When the Plasmodium is at larva stage, so when mosquito bites us, it injects malaria into our body. Larva को हमारी body में inject कर देता है. उसकी further growth हमारी body में होती है. Okay, when it multiplies in the body, grows in our body, it causes high fever with shivering. We call it malaria. Okay, or Aedes mosquito, it spreads the dengue. Clear? And so we should not allow stagnant water. Next, we should drink clean water. Okay, we can use filtered water or we can boil the water in order to disinfect it. Okay, in order to make it clean. हमारी जो water है, it should be potable. It should be fit to drink. Clear? Can you name a disease which spread through contaminated water? Contaminated water से होने वाली any disease, can you name it, beta?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, jaundice.
Jaundice. Okay. Jaundice, diarrhea, cholera, all these diseases, they spread by contaminated water. So we should clean our water, especially in rainy season. अगर filtered water नहीं है, तो we can boil the water. Then after that we can drink it. Now, children should be vaccinated properly. बच्चों को प्रॉपर वैक्सीनेशन होनी चाहिए. आपको भी वैक्सीन्स लगे होंगे व्हेन यू वर बेबी. तो आप जब छोटे थे देन आपको भी वैक्सीन्स लगे होंगे. आप मम्मा को पूछना होगा, उनके पास एक कार्ड होगा. यू कैन सी कि आपको कौन से वैक्सीन्स दिए गए. तो डू यू नो व्हाट इज वैक्सीनेशन? What is vaccination? And name of the diseases which are prevented by vaccination, which help to prevent diseases. कौन से vaccines हैं?
Ghazal, unmute yourself, beta. Ghazal.
Ghazal. Yes, beta. What is vaccination? Yes, Ghazal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am,
Tuberculosis. It is TB. Okay. TB जब आप छोटे होते हो तो कौन से वैक्सीन लिए जाते हैं? BCG एंड DPT. क्लियर? BCG का जो टीका है, इट इज यूज्ड टू प्रिवेंट TB और DPT इज फॉर डिप्थीरिया, whooping cough and tetanus. These are the vaccines which are given in the childhood. अब बच्चों को दिए जाती हैं in order to prevent that. और पोलियो ड्रॉप्स दी जाती हैं in order to prevent polio. तो वैक्सीन्स क्या होते हैं बेटा? What do you mean by vaccine? Raise hand. Vaccination and vaccine.
Naval.
You. हाँ जी बेटा, unmute. Yes, what is vaccine?
Naval, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, Naval. Anyone?
Okay,
else?
Govind.
Yes, Govind.
the substance that is put into our blood that protects us from disease.
Yes, very good. Vaccine is a substance. एक dose होती है which contains a substance which help to prevent a disease and it is injected into our blood. हमारे blood में inject किया जाता है so that we are protected from a particular disease. और vaccines, they train our body's immune system to fight with the disease. What is immune system? Immune system means defense mechanism. जैसे किसी कंट्री पे अटैक होता है तो उस कंट्री के जो आर्मी उसको प्रोटेक्ट करती है, ऐसे हमारी बॉडी पे जब अटैक होता है किसी जर्म्स का तो हमारी बॉडी जो है उसमें एक मैकेनिज्म होता है, एक सिस्टम होता है जो हमारी बॉडी को फाइट करने में हेल्प करता है विद द डिजीजेस. वो जर्म्स को किल करता है. क्लियर? हमारी बॉडी में एंटीबॉडीज बनते हैं, WBCs होते हैं, दे फाइट विद द जर्म्स. तो वैक्सीनेशन जो है वो हेल्प करता है हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को टू फाइट विद द डिजीज. और वैक्सीन्स जर्म्स से ही बनाए जाते हैं. उनका कोई बॉडी पार्ट लिया जाता है जहाँ जर्म को किल किया जाता है, जहाँ उनको इनएक्टिव किया जाता है। क्लियर? जब वीक किए होते हैं वो जर्म्स, they are entered in the body and body learns how to fight with that germs. Okay, उन दो germs के साथ कैसे लड़ना है कि हमारी बॉडी सीख लेती है, एंड वो उसको जब भी अटैक होता है तो बॉडी नोज हाउ टू फाइट विद दैट डिजीज। क्लियर? सो वैक्सीन हमें हेल्प करते हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर डिजीज। क्लियर बेटा? हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं from a disease. So vaccination means providing vaccine. Vaccine क्या है? Dose which contains a substance which is injected into the blood to fight with the disease. Okay beta? So proper vaccination should be there. Now these are the names of certain known.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा।
मैम जो पोलियो ड्रॉप्स होती है वो हम चाइल्डहुड में देती जाती है कि जब बड़े हो जाते तब दी जाती है?
0 to 5 years. ओके, वो बच्चों में ही होती है, बड़ों में नहीं होती। 0 to 5 years उसके ज्यादा चांसेस होते हैं, तो 0 से लेकर 5 ईयर तक पोलियो ड्रॉप्स पिलाते हैं इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट दैट डिजीज। और ऑलमोस्ट वो अब नहीं होती, नियर अबाउट वो खत्म हो चुकी है, क्योंकि हमारी कंट्री में वो घर घर जाके जहाँ पे भी बच्चे हैं उनको पिलाते हैं, जब बच्चों को वहां पे बुलाते हैं और वो दी जाती है पोलियो ड्रॉप्स। तो आजकल पोलियो नहीं होता, पहले ये बहुत कॉमन हो जाता था जब पोलियो ड्रॉप्स नहीं पिलाते थे। इसमें लिम्स या आर्म्स जो है वो पैरालाइज हो जाती हैं, पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू वॉक प्रॉपरली अगर उसकी लेग्स में वो पैरालाइज हुआ है। क्लियर? तो आजकल वो नहीं होती बिकॉज बच्चों को पोलियो ड्रॉप्स पिलाई जाती है। सो दीज आर सम नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस मीन्स विच डू नॉट स्प्रेड बाय जर्म्स। ये किसी बॉडी के पार्ट के फेलियर होने से होती है, लाइक हार्ट प्रॉब्लम, डायबिटीज जिसको शुगर कहते हैं, में पैंक्रियाज इंसुलिन नहीं प्रोवाइड करवा पाता बॉडी में, उसकी वजह से हो जाती है। बॉडी में शुगर लेवल जहाँ बढ़ जाता है जहाँ कम हो जाता है, when pancreas not working properly. So respiratory diseases like bronchitis, asthma, etc. and cancer is also not transmitted by germs. जो हेरिडिटरी हो सकती हैं, एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में चली जाती हैं, बट दे आर नॉट ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम वन सिक पर्सन टू हेल्दी पर्सन। क्लियर? ये हमारी बॉडी के किसी फॉल्ट के कारण होती है। And next, name this fruit. What is this? You have seen this? Yes, Peter, isn't? What is this? Name the fruit. You are looking in the pic. What is this? Yes, ma'am. Anyone? Raised hand. No one knows. Yes, Peter.
Yashika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, amla.
Very good. Amla. Okay, इसको हम gooseberries कहते हैं. And name the nutrient present in good amount in amla. We can get amla in any form. Pickle खा सकते हैं हम इसका, अचार, कैंडीज की फॉर्म में भी होता है, मुरब्बा भी होता है इसका, जो भी आपको पसंद है, जैसे भी you should take it in order to get. What do we get from amla? Yes, beta. Present. Which
Sanchi.
Sanchi.
Sanchi, unmute yourself, beta.
Sanchi, beta. Which nutrient is present? Which vitamin is present in amla or gooseberries?
Tanishka.
Ma'am, vitamin C.
Very good. Vitamin C is present in amla. Okay, richest source of amla, richest source of vitamin C is. Okay, so scurvy, it protects us from scurvy. जिसमें bleeding gums होते हैं. Okay, gums are loose, तो उसमें swelling हो जाती है, and it protects us from infections also. Now you have to give one word answer. अगर आपने chapter पढ़ा है, आपने videos देखे हैं, तो you can tell it easily. First is state of complete physical and mental well-being of a person. what do we call the state of complete physical and mental well-being of a person? What do we call it? Recent
Avni,
Ma'am, a healthy person.
health. Okay, good health. We can say the person is healthy when it is free from physical diseases. उसको कोई बीमारी नहीं है and no mental pressure is there. अगर वो mentally free है, physically disease free है, then we call it healthy. Good. Next is a diet with all the nutrients in right proportion. A diet which is having all the nutrients in right amount required for the body. What do we call it?
Jasjeet,
Ma'am, balanced diet.
Very good. It is called balanced diet. Next is the practice of healthy habits to maintain good health. What do we call the practice of healthy habits? अभी हमने mention की in the starting of the class. What do you mean by healthy habits? Healthy habits means
Sargun,
Healthy habits. Hygiene.
yes, answer is hygiene, but healthy habits means healthy habits includes personal cleanliness. What do you mean by personal cleanliness?
Parisha,
Ma'am, to maintain hygiene by taking bath, trimming nails, etc.
Very good. Personal cleanliness means we should take bath, we should trim the nails, and we should wear neat and clean clothes. Our house should be clean. Clear? We should wash our hair and we should brush our teeth regularly. Twice a day, and we should trim the nails regularly. Clear? हमें brush करना चाहिए properly. These are personal cleanliness and we should take proper rest and sleep well. Proper rest भी करनी है and we should avoid drinking, smoking, taking drugs, etc. Okay, all this is called hygiene. Next is a disease, diseases which spread from one person to another. What do we call those diseases? Which spread from one person to another means sick person to healthy person. What do we call these diseases? Anji beta?
Common fever.
No, common fever नहीं. उन सभी diseases के लिए common word, which word is common to all these diseases? Anji? Yes, diseases which spread from one person to another are called, no one knows. अभी तो किया.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, communicable diseases.
Very good. These are called communicable diseases which spread by germs. Now, diseases caused due to the deficiency of a particular nutrient in the diet for a long time. लंबे टाइम तक हम एक पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट को जब बॉडी में हमारे नहीं लेते, then what the diseases caused? What do we call these diseases?
Naval,
Deficiency diseases.
Very good. Deficiency diseases. Okay, now do the matching. आपको answers hope सभी clear हो गए हैं. First of all, this is air. Do the matching of air. फटाफट से. Air.
Harshpreet,
Harshpreet. Air.
unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, bete.
Air. Which disease spreads through air?
Okay, Jasum,
Ma'am, common cold.
Very good. Common cold spreads through air. Very good. And contaminated food and water?
Kapish,
Yes, Kapish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hanji beta.
Ma'am, jaundice.
Jaundice. Very good. And fungi? Fungi causes
Naval.
Ringworm.
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 Very good. Fiber present in food. What do we call it? Fiber present in the food. उसका एक और name है. That is
Harshpreet.
Roughage.
very good. Roughage. And what do you mean by portable? Portable means
Abhi.
portable means बेटा. It is दो बचे हैं. दोनों में से देखो कौन सा आएगा. Portable.
Vinayak.
Vinayak.
Goiter.
Goiter. No.
Ma'am, goiter.
No, no. Portable means fit to drink, जिसको हम पी सकते हैं. It is related to potable water. Okay, potable water means fit to drink. अभी ये word मैंने use किया है इसी क्लास में. And non-communicable, it is goiter because it is a deficiency disease and it is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Okay, जब iodine आप food में नहीं लेती हो, otherwise तो we take the iodized salt. सभी salts में iodine present होता है. That's why people don't suffer from goiter these days. Otherwise, if we don't take the iodine, then we suffer from goiter. And these are the answers. सबने answers ठीक ही किए हैं. Now name, give 2 examples. Okay, we are having 2 minutes only. Then name 2 communicable diseases. अभी हमने किया फटाफट से. Name 2 communicable diseases. Be active and answer it quickly.
Sargun.
Sargun.
Beriberi and rickets.
Non-communicable beriberi rickets means with diseases which do not spread by germs. जो deficiency diseases है, all deficiency diseases are non-communicable. Second, diseases spread by protozoa. फटाफट से. Yes.
Ghazal.
गजल फटाफट से बोलो बेटा. Protozoa spreads. अभी हमने डिस्कस
Trisha.
Protozoa.
Malaria, dysentery.
Yes, malaria and amoebic dysentery. Okay, amoebic dysentery is caused by protozoa. And amoeba histolytica होता है जो intestine में stay करता है and it causes पेट की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है जिसे हम कहते हैं amoebic dysentery. मलेरिया आपको पता है उसमें बुखार होता है. And sources of vitamin C. Sources of vitamin C.
Lavish.
Orange and mosami.
वेरी गुड. सभी जो लेमन जैसे फ्रूट होते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं लेमन फैमिली के फ्रूट जो खट्टे होते हैं. ओके, एंड आंवला इज द रिचेस्ट सोर्स. वेरी गुड. नाउ डिजीजेस कॉज्ड बाय वायरस. एक तो अभी चल रही है, दैट इज
Avni.
आप घर बैठे हुए हो, वो भी वायरस से हो रही है. यस,
कोरोना वायरस एंड मैम
कोरोना वायरस बेटा वायरस का नेम है, डिजीज का नेम है कोविड-19. क्लियर? COVID-19, common cold, chicken pox, smallpox, measles, mumps, all these are caused by virus. And diseases which spread through contaminated food and water. Which diseases? It is, yes, जब आप बाहर
Naval.
खाती हो ना तो क्या क्या हो जाता है आपको? Yes,
Naval, unmute yourself, beta.
जहाँ से आप
मैम रिपीट द क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
बेटा सामने है स्क्रीन पे. डिजीजेस स्प्रेड थ्रू कंटेमिनेटेड फूड एंड वाटर. जब आप स्ट्रीट फूड खाते हो जो कवर्ड नहीं है, जिस पे मक्खियां बैठी होती हैं. यस, व्हिच डिजीज इज देयर? डायरिया एंड कॉलेरा. क्लियर? एंड 2 diseases which spread.
Ma'am, malaria and dengue.
Very good. Malaria and dengue. Okay, this is all about today. And if any query is there, so you can